This was my screen time last week. 8 hours, 22 minutes, basically a full time job of just being on my phone. And this week, 1 hour, 17 minutes. Same person, same life, different habits. I actually didn't even realize how bad it got. Like, I would wake up, scroll, sit to study, scroll for 5 minutes, which actually turned into an hour. Before sleeping, scroll until my eyes actually hurt. And the worst part was that I wasn't even enjoying it anymore. It was actually just automatic. Then one day I just checked my weekly report, which was 58 hours, and that is so insane. That's literally 2.5 days of my life gone into a freaking screen. And that scared me, like, actually scared me. So I deleted Instagram. It can be any app for you, maybe TikTok or YouTube for that matter, any app. But I know this is the hardest one, but it is the most effective step because this was the biggest thing. I didn't reduce it, I literally removed it. And I'm not gonna lie, the first few days were actually very uncomfortable. My hand would literally go on that spot where the app was out of habit, and I felt like I was missing out so much. But after a few days, something shifted. I realized that I actually don't miss Instagram, but I missed the habit of checking it regularly. And once that habit broke, everything became easier. I made my phone boring on purpose. I actually turned on black and white mode sometimes. And I know it sounds stupid, but it actually works. All those bright colors that keep you hooked, gone. Your brain doesn't actually get the same dopamine hit that it used to get before. Suddenly, scrolling felt pointless. And you just naturally stop. I stopped sleeping with my phone. I know this one sounds stupid also, but this actually changed my mornings and nights completely. I started charging my phone in another room, so now no scrolling till 2 a.m. and no waking up and instantly going on my phone. Instead, I actually woke up, breathe, and just fully exist with myself. It actually sounds basic, but it actually felt so different, and I think you should definitely try this one because this actually changed me a lot. Like, this was a very good step. I removed convenience. This is underrated. Before, Instagram was one tap away. No effort, no thinking, just open and scroll. Now, if I actually really want to check something, I'll open my laptop. And trust me, opening a whole laptop just to scroll, come on, you are better than that. You'll actually question yourself before doing all of that. And most of the time, you won't even do it because it's hard, right? I control my notifications. This was huge because I muted almost everything. Group chats, random apps, all of it. Because those notifications, they actually control you more than you think. Every notification ping is just like your phone calling you back. Now I only keep notifications from important people in my life, and my mind feels so much quieter now. I allowed myself to be bored. This changed my brain. I know this sounds weird, but boredom is actually powerful. Hear me out. Earlier, the second I got bored, phone, scroll. Now I just sit with it. And I know at first it feels uncomfortable, but then your mind actually slows down. You actually start thinking more clearly and you actually feel calmer. It's like your brain is getting the break that it really wanted so bad. I replace scrolling instead of just removing it. Okay, this one is really important. You actually just can't delete apps and expect your brain to be okay with it because you are used to grabbing your phone every time you feel bored. So, if you actually remove scrolling and leave that time empty, you'll go right back at it. So, what I did was I replaced it. Like, instead of scrolling, I would say to myself that let's just study for 5 minutes. Just like we say that let's just scroll for 5 minutes. I told myself that if I study for like 5 minutes, then I'll scroll. It's okay. But I was just too focused on my studies because I got into this flow of studying, and I didn't even scroll the whole day after that because and I felt so accomplished that I studied the whole day. You can literally just sit and think, or maybe just do something random, productive, like studying, or random, maybe like journaling, or listening to music. Who doesn't like listening to music, right? It actually doesn't have to be super productive. It's just that you have to give your brain something to do so that it doesn't go back to scrolling. Because your brain isn't addicted to your phone, it is addicted to your constant stimulation. So you're not just removing the habit but replacing it by something better, and boom, you'll feel good after that. I changed my mindset. This is the real reason why it all worked out. I realized something, that I don't have unlimited time in this life. And spending 8 hours on my phone in a single day, that's literally my life actually slipping away. And yes, I do still miss Instagram sometimes, but I don't miss how it made me feel. Distracted, restless, always comparing. Taking a break isn't losing something. It's protecting your peace and actually finding yourself back. Your phone isn't the problem, but if you don't control it, it will control you. So don't try to be perfect overnight. Just reduce it a little every single day. Even 1 hour less a day is a win. Try it for 3 days and check your screen time. You'll actually see the difference. So that is it for today's video. I hope it helped you guys and you actually enjoyed it. And if you did, so please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post every Sunday at 12 p.m. So I'll see you in the next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.